Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on the Thermomix TM5 locking system. In this video, we will guide you through the essential steps to ensure your device operates smoothly and safely. First, let's gather the tools you will need for this process. You will require a small Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a can of compressed air. These tools will help you disassemble and clean the locking mechanism effectively. Before starting, make sure your Thermomix TM5 is unplugged. Safety is our top priority. Now, let's locate the screws on the base of the device. There are 4 screws that secure the main housing. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover. You should now see the locking mechanism. It is crucial to clean this area, as food particles can accumulate and hinder the locking function. Use your soft cloth to wipe any visible debris. To ensure thorough cleaning, use the compressed air to blow away any dust or crumbs that may be stuck in hard-to-reach areas. Now, let's take a closer look at the locking mechanism itself. It consists of a spring and a latch. If you notice any wear or damage, it's best to replace these components. If you're unsure, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, where experts can assess your Thermomix for any issues. After cleaning, reassemble the unit by carefully placing the top cover back on and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Double-check to ensure everything is aligned correctly before tightening the screws. Next, let's test the locking system. Plug in your Thermomix and turn it on. Make sure that when you close the lid, it locks into place securely. If it doesn't, there may be further issues that require attention. If you find that the locking mechanism is still not functioning properly, don't hesitate to reach out. We can assist you with pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get the help you need. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. Finally, always perform regular maintenance on your Thermomix TM5. This includes cleaning the locking system and ensuring that all screws are tight. Regular upkeep can prolong the life of your device and enhance its performance. For those who want to ensure everything is in perfect working order, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Keeping your Thermomix TM5 in top shape is not just about repairs, it's about understanding how to maintain it effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.